Next, I'd like to talk about the different methods for selecting your cells in your Excel spreadsheet. One of these blocks is called a cell. But then when you put a bunch of cells together, it's called a range of cells. Here's a very popular way to select a range. You're going to click on a cell. Notice how in the middle of the cell you get the white cross. When you have the white cross, you're going to hold down your left mouse button, and then you're just going to drag your mouse. You could drag it down or up and down or to the right or left, and then that whole area is now selected. That's called a range of cells. Watch again. I want to pick on a cell. You get the white cross in the middle of the cell. You're going to hold down your left mouse button and then just drag your mouse and highlight as much as you wanted to. And we can even go further, of course, down or to the right or to the left, as we can see. And now that whole range has been selected, as we can see. Okay. Now we can also select the entire column. I'm just going to click on the letter E, and now the whole column is selected. I can select the entire row. I want to pick on the number 10. And now the whole 10th row is selected. Now, if you want to do more than one column at the same time, I'm going to click on the letter D. Now I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, and then I can just drag that over, and now all of those columns are selected. The same thing is true with the rows. I'm going to pick on row 7, and now I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and drag it down, and now all of those rows are selected. If you want to select the entire spreadsheet, look at my mouse. I'm going to go over to this corner cell, and when you click on the corner cell, that is going to select everything. Another way to select everything is a keyboard shortcut that's called Control A. On my keyboard, I just did Control A, and notice how that selects. But that'll just kind of select the data up to the next blank row and up to the next blank column, as we can see. It just kind of got that one block of data, as we can see. So Control A is a quick way to do that. Now sometimes you want to highlight things that are not next to each other. So let's say I want to highlight column B and column D and column F. I want to click on the letter B. Now I'm going to hold down the Control key on my keyboard, and I want to keep that held down. Now I'm going to pick on the letter D and the letter F. I still have the Control key down. So notice the screen. Notice how column B, column D, and column F are selected, but nothing else is. So the way we did that is after you highlight your first range, you're going to hold down the Control key, like I'm doing right now. And then, as you can see, you can highlight different ranges in your spreadsheet. So that should be most of the ways to select your data in an Excel spreadsheet.